Hello, today I'm going to make Machboos Deyay. It's chicken and rice cooked with chicken stock. Let's see how it's done. We have 3 frozen chicken into the pot. We add boiled water and let the chicken cook for 15 minutes. And while it's cooking, let's prepare the ingredient. We have ginger, carrots, celery, green pepper, onions, garlic and lemon. And we need some spices. From left to the right, pink salt, cardamom, black pepper seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, and bay leaves. After the 15 minutes, we wash the chicken, we add the ingredients and the spices. We add some oil and stir them. We add hot water. And let it cook for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Voila! Now we clean the Basmati rice, it's Indian rice. We wash it 3 to 4 times until the water will become clear. Now it's time to cook the rice. We add some oil, we fry the onions, some bay leaves and cloves, and then we add our rice. Stir the rice, and we add our chicken stock. Some salt, and easy peasy lemon squeezy. We add some saffron. It is saffron with hot water. It is very good for the aroma and the color. And then we let the rice cook. And now I'll prepare some decorations for the rice. I will caramelize some onions. I'll add raw nuts like cashew, pine nuts, and raisins. Roast them until they become gold. Add them to the top of the pot. On side we can make tomato sauce. We chop some tomatoes with garlic. We add some salt, tomato paste, and our chicken stock. We stir the tomato sauce or Daqous. And And later on we can fry the chickens so they become nice and gold. Yummy. Our food is ready.